Hello and welcome to Credence Digital Learning. I am your English teacher Astha Jain and we are discussing class 12th term 1 syllabus Flamingo. Today we are going to start a new lesson that is titled as Deep Water by William Douglas. Talking about the justification of title, the title Deep Water is an excerpt from Men and Mountains. It is about narrator's fear of water and how he overcame it. कैसा फियर, वो क्यों पैदा हुआ, नरेटर ने कैसे उस डर को जीता, that you will understand once we delve deep into the lesson. Talking about the theme, there is one and only theme in the lesson and that is all we have to fear is fear itself. हमें केवल एक ही चीज से डरना है और वो है हमारा डर. And the importance of determination and willpower. अगर आपके पास determination और willpower है तो आपको आपके डर का सामना करना है क्योंकि कहा जाता है ना कि डर के आगे जीत है. Talking about the characters, we just have two major characters in the story. First is William Douglas, who is the narrator, and second is an instructor. So without wasting any time, let's understand the summary of the lesson. William Douglas, who was also an advisor to American President Roosevelt, और डोगलास एक ऐसे जज हैं जिन्होंने मैक्सिमम टाइम के लिए सर्व किया था कंट्री को. तो ये जो विलियम डोगलास हैं ये अपने एक्सपीरियंस को बता रहे हैं कि कैसे जब वो बचपन में पानी में गए तो उनके अंदर एक पानी का डर पैदा हो गया और कैसे उन्होंने उस डर को जीता. At 10 or 11 years of age, he decided to go to YMCA pool. YMCA pool comparatively safe pool माना जाता था. क्यों? Why? Because it was 2 to 3 feet deep on the shallow end and 9 feet deep on the deeper end. ठीक है, so this can be a question for your exam that why was YMCA pool safe as compared to Yakima River which was considered treacherous. Yakima River को treacherous माना जाता था और जो डोगलास की माँ है वो हर बार उनको याकिमा रिवर में डूबने के किस्से सुनाती रहती थी ताकि डोगलास वहां पे न जाए. अब विलियम डोगलास अपने चाइल्डहुड के एक एक्सपीरियंस को बताते हैं जहां से उनके मन में डर पैदा हुआ. So when he was small, almost 3 to 4 years of age, he went to California beach along with his father. And he was buried under a wave. पिताजी तो वहां पे हंस रहे थे लेकिन उस एक्सपीरियंस ने डोगलास के मन में पानी को लेके एक डर को पैदा कर दिया. For many years he never thought of swimming. 10-11 साल की उम्र में he decided to go to YMCA pool to again learn swimming. So when he joined the YMCA pool, his past memories revived. उसका जो पुराना बचपन का डर था वो शायद फिर से लौट आया. First of all, he was feeling embarrassed because of his skinny legs, because he had to go naked into water. तो उसके पैर बहुत ज्यादा पतले थे तो उसको वैसे ही थोड़ा शर्मिंदगी फील होती थी और उसका जो पुराना डर है वो भी लौट रहा था. He gathered some confidence and he was trying to learn by copying others. He was trying to paddle with water wings और वो ऐसा 2-3 बार करता था अलग अलग दिनों पे ताकि वो अपने डर को जीत सके. And he was trying to feel comfortable in water and then the misadventure happened. So children, this is also going to be a question for you. What is the misadventure that